Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months.
This shirt was really cute. It's basically a pink cotton t-shirt. And I did think it was really cute, but I just wasn't interested in paying $2,500 for just a basic cotton t-shirt. But I did like the CC detail on the bottom of the shirt. That was really cute. And the embroidered Chanel on the shirt was really cute too. This was also a pretty cute rectangular square dress. I think on someone else's frame it'd probably be a lot more flattering, but to me it just kind of like swallowed me. It's a very much wide rectangular dress, so it doesn't really fit frames that have a bit more curves to them. This cardigan was actually really cute. I like the pink trim on the actual cardigan. The fabric is a little bit it's not so much see-through, but it can easily catch on things. You have to be mindful of this type of fabric. But I did like the CC buttons. That was a really nice cute detail. And it was an overall cute cardigan, but I just wasn't absolutely in love with it. Hey guys, so I got another unboxing today for the Chanel 24P collection. Super excited about this one because this is my first ready to wear piece from Chanel. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Came in this really cute bag to keep my top in pristine condition, so less lint to get on the actual item. Really cute. It has a cute little tie right here. So let me go ahead and show you guys what I actually got. And this is actually the item that I really wanted that was a part of the 24P collection. It was really hard to come by. It looks like it's sold out everywhere. So I was so happy when it finally came to my boutique and my SA called me about it and she was like, oh, we got it. I ran down there so fast to get this top. She is so super cute. So cute. So cute, so adorable. As you can see here, it has the CC rhinestone clasp. It's in a cardigan. Well, it's a cardigan. It's a cardigan, has a very fairly thick but not too thick material Still lightweight. It has a nice little design of the X, or not the X. It has a nice little design of the quilting, the quintessential quilting that Chanel has in all of their bags. Got a really cute hanger to hang up my beautiful cardigan. But yeah, this item is super, super, super cute. Really love it. So happy I got it. Let me give you guys a close up of the actual tag. Oh. Here's the actual tag. This top was really hard to come by. A lot of people were wanting this item. I think any boutique that had it, it instantly sold out. Or if they did get it, it came in very limited sizes, and a lot of people were gunning for those sizes. This was the only one that came in my boutique. I got it in a size 36. From my research, it said that it kind of runs small and that you should go up a size. I think it depends on how you plan on wearing your item. I plan on wearing this as an actual shirt, not an actual cardigan. I can still wear it as a cardigan, but I wanted to wear it as an actual shirt. This shirt is giving kind of like the 2000s, early 2000s, late 90s fashion, you know, with the more fitted, see-through tops, kind of like 70s rocker glam, like 70s rocker or like rocker edgy glam. That's kind of how I intend to style this, between the rocker glam or elevated casual slash streetwear. So I'll put up some pictures of some of the ideas that I have of how I'm going to style it, but I'm gonna probably pair it with a bit more of an edgier look to it. So I'll wear this at the top, and I'll show some of there'll be some upcoming footage of me actually trying this item on in the store. And so that's pretty much how I'm gonna wear it, the top wise. And I'm thinking about pairing it maybe with maybe like a leather, or like either like a leather or like maybe like a navy blue or black bell bottom kind of pant. Like think Diesel. Diesel has a lot of really cool kind of like edgier bell bottom kind of like pants. So think that, this top, and maybe like a leather jacket. You know, I'm going for more of a more edgier rocker glam vibe. And then for the streetwear vibe, or the edgy, like, you know, elevated casual vibe, it would be this top with a pair of like just really like boyfriend baggy jeans and some sneakers, or boyfriend baggy jeans and some pointed toe closed toe heels, and letting the shirt be the statement, letting the shirt speak for itself. So there's kind of two different versions I have. I'll pop up some pictures to give you guys an idea of how I plan on styling it. I haven't found the right pants that I'm looking for to really make this outfit really pop. But yeah, I'm super excited. I finally got my first ready-to-wear piece from Chanel, and I got the actual item that I actually really wanted. Super pretty. I'm so happy I got it. Looking forward to adding this to my collection and wearing this all summer long. And the last piece I got was a scarf. And so the reason why I got this scarf is because I can easily wear this as a top in the spring, summer, and I really love the print of this top. I'm sorry. I love the print of this scarf, sorry. It's actually reversible, so you can wear it this way, or you could wear it this way. And so I'm gonna definitely look at some tutorials on how to make this into like a different tops. I know Fashionably Amy has a tutorial on her channel on how to turn this into a top. So I'm gonna look into finding a way to make this into a top. And if I end up finding out how to make this into a top, I will make sure to do a little TikTok video or an Instagram reel or a YouTube reel on the different variations of the top I created from this scarf. But yeah, super pretty, really bright colors, perfect for the spring, summer. And I love the black CC logo on the scarf. And I'll put up a picture of the tag in case you guys want to try to source it in store. Again, if I find any other pieces that catch my eye, I will make sure to do an unboxing and let you guys know what I got. So that's all for today. If you like all things fashion and all things luxury fashion, hit the like button, comment, and subscribe. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.